Well, what is up, guys? Josh would Navigate the Wild, and Santa brought us a camera arm. Let's check it out. We're coming to the end of the 2024 season, and I'm already starting to plan for 2025. I hope to self-film some of my hunts next year, and a camera arm will definitely make things easier once in my saddle system. I went with Fourth Arrow. They've been around for a while. This is the Talon triple micro arm is what they call, but I think it's going to be a bit of overkill for running my phone. Here you have your main arm. This is a bit of an upgrade. They have rubberized the end. They have a rubber coating over the very end. It doesn't triple stack, but it gets pretty self-contained, and I can fit this in a flex pouch. The real issue I'm having is the weight of the 3.0 Talon base. So this Talon base weighs 2.25 pounds by itself. Now, don't get me wrong. This is a really, really nice base. You have a very nice visible level bubble for when you get it onto the tree. Your base will slide right in and then lock down, no problem, okay? So that's all great. But the weight of this is almost the weight of the next camera arm down in the Fourth Arrow lineup. I really like this base, okay? But 2.25 pounds for just this section here, that's a heavy arm to run a cell phone. The profile is just really, really big. You pair that with the accessory kit. Here's what the Talon looks like. And this has got some weight to it as well. So these 4 screws will pull this back off. This will then replace this. The teeth fold out like so, and then it goes up against the tree like this. I look here, we're level, right? We recheck. There's a little bubble in there. We're just gonna go, okay, how do we do this? Let's get that bubble as best we can where we want it. We're inside the bubble, boom. This Talon base is super nice, okay? That thing just bit right into the tree, and then, you know, you would have your fluid head up there with either your camera or your cell phone or your handy cam or whatever, and you would just then operate this. I really like the camera arm. This is a bigger body tree, so I'd probably be more, you know, where I'm getting situated, it's more the size of a basketball. So, you know, this would extend its reach a little bit. Now I could get everything right there. You know, all of this stuff, I can get all of this stuff. That's not a problem. And, you know, you could bring it in and move it around and get this side. The biggest issue I have, again, even though I really like the teeth on the Talon base, is this going to work for me for packability and weight? That's it. Other than that, I love it. I think it's a great design. I really do. This is the Micro Talon Arm kit from Fourth Arrow. If you're thinking about getting into self-filming your hunts, especially from a saddle, Fourth Arrow definitely deserves to be looked into. I really like the product. Navigate the Wild.